This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now by removing the inner door panel to expose the lock assembly. You need a clean work area and the tools listed on screen. Keep screws organized. Once the panel is off, peel back the vapor barrier and locate the lock cylinder from the interior side. Make sure to note the cylinder's rotation orientation and the key position. This matters when you extract it. Use a flashlight to confirm the retainer access point so you don't force parts later. With the key inserted, turn it to the release angle, usually about 45 to 90 degrees, so the cam aligns for removal. Then, press the retaining clip or push the small retainer pin inward using a punch or thin screwdriver. This frees the cylinder's lock tab. While holding the retainer depressed, grip the cylinder with needle nose pliers and pull straight out. Twist slightly if it binds, but don't force it at an angle. Take your time to keep in turn. Once the cylinder moves, continue a steady straight pull until it clears the door. Keep the key in the same turned position to hold the wafers in alignment and prevent springing loose. Inspect the retainer clip and linkage for wear. Replace damaged parts before reassembly to avoid future failure. If the cylinder won't come free, try a quick penetrating spray at the retainer, depress the clip again, or disconnect the actuator linkage to remove obstruction. Then retry. That troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.